Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about supporting custom types for navigation destination. And what we're going to do is we're going to build our own type, which is going to basically conform to identifiable and hashable type, so it can be supported inside the navigation destination. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new type here, and this is going to be for DevTechie course. So we're going to say struct DevTechie course. We're going to make it identifiable, and ID and name are two things that we're going to need. Let's go ahead and also make it hashable. Okay, now because we are using both types that are inside, and both of these types are already hashable, we don't need to provide the hash function. But in case if you're using something that is custom, all you can do is create this hash function, or basically override it, and then provide your own hasher functionality. Okay, and this is honestly all it takes to create a simple hash function that actually will make your type conform to hashable protocol. Okay, now like I said, in this case we don't need it because both of our types, ID and name, are already hashable. So that means our entire class is hashable, so our entire struct is hashable, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to create an extension, and this extension is going to host some sample data. Okay, so we're going to create an extension, DevTechie course, and we're going to have some courses here. Static var sample. This is going to be an array of DevTechie course, and we're going to simply return an array. Okay, now let me go ahead and pull up devtechie.com because there's a lot been happening there. So let's put it on the side, and we can actually take a note of some of the courses. Okay, so we have a new book, so we're gonna just use that one, mastering SwiftData by example in SwiftUI and iOS 18. Okay, so that's one. There are two variations for that. Then we have mastering machine learning, so let's go ahead and add that one. Okay, and then we have the background timer. All right, let's add a couple more. So we have the HealthKit. So let's say take this out, iOS 18 HealthKit dashboard in SwiftUI. There we go. And build a powerful scanner or document scanner, SwiftUI. There we go. Okay, and there are a bunch of more, so I'm just gonna leave it for you guys to basically check it out. All right, so let's go back here, and now what we're gonna do is we now have our own type, and we have some sample data to play with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in here in the navigation stack, and I'm gonna remove everything, and we're gonna create a list. Okay, and inside the list we're gonna just reach out to devtechie course dot sample, and this is gonna give us all the data, sample data that we get. Now notice that we don't have to provide an ID here, and reason for that is we are already conforming to the identifiable protocol. That means ID is each record inside the list is already identifiable. Okay, so we get a course, and we actually just create a navigation link out of the course. Okay, and what we are gonna pass is basically the course itself as value. Okay, and then for the label we have two choices. We can either go just with the simple title, so let's go with the simple title. So course dot name is basically the label or what appears on the course itself, or on the link itself is going to be there. And then you have value type, which is basically the decodable, encodable, and hashable type. Okay, and as you can see, it can be optional, so we're gonna simply pass our course here. Okay, now this is all it takes for us to create the navigation link, and I think what we should expect is we should expect to see all the courses being listed out here. Okay, there is an issue here somewhere. Let me go ahead and see. Okay, the issue was not related to this, but another file. So I think it is all resolved. So we should see, like, courses, and clicking on courses is not doing anything right now because we have not provided the destination where they should go when user clicks on it. So let's go ahead and make some changes. First of all, let's go ahead and provide the list type. Okay, and we're going to say the list actually list type. Okay, that seems to be cannot refer plain. Maybe list style. Okay, yeah, list style it should be, not list type. Plain. Okay, all right, so we have plain style that actually makes our group style go away, and our list is looking like a table view now. And then we're gonna add a title. So title is gonna be devtechie courses. Okay, and then you have the navigation destination. Navigation destination, now we are providing a type which is gonna basically be handled by the destination. So we're gonna say this is gonna be devtechie course.self, and because we are conforming to the hashable protocol, we are good to go. There is no error here, and what we get here is the course that user basically tabbed on. So what we can do here is we can simply pass that, and let's go ahead and use our destination view. So I'm going to use destination view with title, and we're going to provide course dot name as the value. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. So now we have our content view refreshed. So let's go ahead and tap. And as you can see that our courses are basically listed just like before. And the navigation is much more efficient, and on the top of that, it's actually all handled in one place rather than you having to repeat this destination view over and over. And so in future, if you're changing your destination and making some more improvements, you know that there's only one place that you need to go. And like I said, navigation destination is much more efficient than using regular or old navigation link, because in this case all your views are basically the destination view is initialized when the item is tapped on, instead of it getting initialized as soon as the view loads, which was the case in previous navigation link implementations. Okay, all right, so with that we have reached the end of this video. Thanks again for watching.